albinos are hunted down for witchcraft rituals. Yes, you heard that right. A limb might go for $2,000, while a complete set or corpse might fetch a staggering $75,000. Victims are being brutally while they're still alive. Fingers, arms, legs, eyes, even genitals are off. What's even more sickening is that some believe these body parts are more potent for their dark purposes when the victims scream. Children are often targeted too. There's this disturbing belief that the more innocent the victim, the more powerful their body parts are. As if that's not enough, can you believe there's a myth that sex with us can cure HIV/AIDS? That's why women with albinism face targeted sexual assaults. I wish that what I'm saying wasn't true, but that's our reality, and you should know it. On top of the physical threats, there's an overwhelming stigma and discrimination. From bullying in schools to extreme cases like infanticide and physical attacks, it's a constant battle. We're seen as not fully human. They think of us as ghosts or subhumans who cannot die but only disappear. They believe our condition is a curse. Living with albinism also brings health challenges. Our lack of melanin makes us vulnerable to skin cancer, and without proper protection from the sun, our lives are at risk. Despite all these challenges, there's hope for change. With greater understanding and awareness, we can make a difference. There are a lot of experts who fight for our rights and advocate for understanding albinism and ensuring our protection. Remember, discrimination based on skin color is an everyday reality for many of us. But together, we can change that narrative and create a world where everyone is treated with respect and dignity regardless of appearance.